guys, look how beautiful this cascading floral design looks on the side of this table. Wow, your girl, designed by Van Queen, did her thing today, and I'm here to share it with you. So all you're going to need to create this look is 2 pool noodles, zip tie or floral tape, and any flowers of your choice. Let's start designing. So right here you have the chandelier stand, and the goal is to cover the base of the chandelier stand. And so we're going to make sure none of the mechanics is showing. We have our 2 pool noodles here. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be adding it onto the chandelier stand with our floral tape.
Is adding the floral tape on like this. We're just going to wrap it around. Stop now. So we secure it to our chandelier pole. And now we're going to add our orchids and our blossoms. Okay, so now we're just going to add the blossoms like this. Have to cut the blossoms off the stem. You can just add it in full just like this. Okay, gives it that volume. Just insert. So we're giving like a cascade look. So I'm gonna go to the bottom and start building where we wanna add our flowers, how far we want it to drop. So we'll do something like that. And so we're just measuring it by just framing it around like that. And that's how we want it to fall at the bottom. Now I start to add my orchids. Orchids in. You see the middle? Just gotta fill it in. Okay, so the goal is to cover the mechanics at the bottom, the weights at the bottom, and the weights is from this piece that we did, this clustered cloud floral arrangement, that's what I call it. And we did it over this table here. So there you have it. This is how we designed this beautiful look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell so you know next time I post an amazing video. Thanks for watching.